Hello, sir. I am going to introduce one genuine offer for you. This is your earning area, and day by day earning is there. Today and yesterday, day by day, this is your earnings, and how many works you submitted, and how many works they are approved and rejected, and the pending works. Finally, earnings. And these are the works available for you. These are the works listed and who are the requested to give the work, and this is the reward, and the number of hits means it's the work. Remember, you have one work, and this is the work list. Don't think this much of work is there. By clicking this view more, you can get number of works. See here, you can see 397 works. In this work, the first work is find the email address for the following website. Here you can just find the email address for the website. That website will be provided by the requester. So it's very easy, and the work reward is 0.01 cents. 0.01 cents means in Indian rupee it's 50 paise. Don't think it's a small amount. It's just a simple work. Just you can earn by click and copy and paste. Okay. For this they providing 7,771 works. For each work they provide 50 paise. This is easy work. And second work is find the author name. Here you have to find the author name. They will provide the author name and author contact. You have to find the email ID for the author. Okay, hits, here the hits are 5,168. 5,168 works are there. Okay, and there are lots of work are there. You can choose as your wish. There are the label images of products and label images of devices and insurance company contact list. Here you have to find just insurance company contact list. They will provide the website. From that website you can find out the contact address. And finally, if you don't have knowledge on this, just you want to do like in browsing means, you can do this type of works. Label images of devices. This work is very easy. You can do this easily. We can see the demo of this work. Here there are lot of images. In these images you need to find the particular device what they requested. The device, study that clearly. They need X-ray tube. So you have to find the X-ray tube here. If you don't know about X-ray tube, somebody knows about that, but somebody don't know about that. If you don't know mean, just copy that X-ray tube and go to Google image page. I know you everybody know about and well know about that Google image page. You go there and copy that X-ray tube and give search. Yeah, here you go and copy that X-ray tube and give search. Now you can get some idea about X-ray tube. By getting this clear idea, now you can click the images. It's a simple work. See, like this. Just click. If you click, it can be separated. This is a work. No need to take much risk and no need to write anything, no need to spend your more time. It's that much easy. 6 pages are there. And if you do this work for 6 pages means they will provide 2 rupees 50 paise. It's just click. Okay, they will provide 500 works, 600 works like that, and sometimes they will provide 10 pages. For 10 pages they will provide 10 rupees like that. There are many works like this, so you can do this work easily and you can earn very easily. This is the account page. By clicking this view more, you can easily check your earning area. Here all your earnings and day by day earnings are listed clearly. How much works you submitted and how many works are rejected. Finally, how much you earn day by day. This is my friends list. Day by day earnings of my friends list is detailedly shown here. One day he earned $9. Some other day he earned $1.50. One day he earned 30 cents only. In that day he did just 3 works. These works are that much easy, sir. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. Thank you, sir.